Talk to me about this. A lot of the people that I coach and that I lead, and I'm sure you have seen this over the years with working with everyone you have, fear seems to dominate. Fear gets the best of people. So what does this ancient wisdom say to us about fear?
Well, coming back to yoga therapy, what I'd say is fear is just a feeling. It's just a
Mhm.
sensation. And our tendency, like we were talking about in yoga therapy, is to run away from it, is to be afraid of it, is to get pushed around by it in our life. It's kind of like the bully in the schoolyard. It's like, oh well, I fear. I guess I have to not feel that. And many of us, in a way, you could say, have a dysfunctional relationship with the sensation we call fear,
Yeah.
right? Meaning that it pushes us around instead of us recognizing it's just a feeling, right? It's actually been shown that the biochemical state of fear is exactly the same as the biochemical state of excitement. But what we do is we label one as a bad thing and the other one as a good thing.
Huh.
So if we were to remove our story about the fear and how it's a bad thing and how it's something to be scared of, what does it feel like in my body? Maybe it's beating of the heart, which could also be excitement.
Yeah.
Maybe it's, something in your gut. And to allow ourselves to just sit with that sensation, and maybe it actually has something to tell us. Maybe that feeling is trying to tell us something. And the more that we can sit with it and listen to it and see what it has to say, the less it becomes the boogeyman. And the more it actually can even become something that serves you.
Mm.
Because maybe that fear is saying, yes, do this, but watch out,
Right.
right? Watch out, just pay attention to this. So it is your friend if you allow it to inform your experience rather than dominate your experience.